The way too many waterfall pitches.
Everything I do, everything I've done, everything I've ever wanted doesn't plan this way for me. Every time I fall, every time I rise, every time I've ever wanted to become what I became. Who is to blame? Who am I know now I am the one I want to be. Who are you? I know now I am the one I want to be. The one to be. Searching for what I want within this present time. Reflection yields when I become a man, struggle in my climb. If you would only stop looking for fleeting signs. I know I screwed up in the climb. Now I must pay with precious time left behind. I know now I am the one I want to be.
How was that, dude?
I know
Job well done, my friends. We love beer.